Okay, ya no mommy na bia. Mama ga na apia gi ihe obuli mere di ya mma because ọ chọrọ ka ọ nọrọ your good books. They gbali, mommy is back, you run. They ga hug ya bie ya ọma. Biko no ndị nne na ndị nne in particular. Papa will take go school fees, but your daddy has brought your school fees. Papa will even go plantain. We are not prepared with the go plantain. Go and tell your daddy thank you. Go and tell your daddy thank you. So that the daddy will teacher, maybe math teacher. I want now what I cried go the math. That teacher that is always flogging. Can happy with their daddy because I told me go go. Actually waited to this one. Can we eat yes because Biko, there's nothing like I love daddy more or I love mommy more. Love them equally. They each have something they are doing in your life. They are the people apart from God that are keeping you alive. Your school fees, your food, your feeding, your clothing, your medical expenses, your transportation, name it. Your daddy takes care of it. Your mommy is a caretaker. If she's not working, daddy will give her all the money and say, take care of the house. Please, always appreciate your daddies, please. Omaka, daddy, God bless us all.